The pursuit of speed and precision has been a relentless quest in the evolution of warfare. From the advent of gunpowder to the development of supersonic jets, each era has witnessed groundbreaking advancements in military technology. Today we stand at the cusp of a new era, hypersonic warfare. This revolutionary development, characterized by missiles traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, promises to redefine the battlefield and reshape global power dynamics. Hypersonic missiles capable of maneuvering at unprecedented velocities present formidable challenges for conventional defense systems. The emergence of hypersonic weapons marks a paradigm shift in military strategy. Their ability to bypass existing air defense systems poses a significant threat to military installations, aircraft carriers, and other high-value targets. The development of hypersonic technology has sparked an arms race among nations, each vying to acquire this game-changing capability. The implications for global security are profound, with the potential to destabilize existing strategic balances and escalate regional conflicts. Among the front-runners in hypersonic weapons development is Russia, with its Kh-47M2 Kinzhal missile system. Unveiled in 2018, the Kinzhal, meaning dagger in Russian, is a testament to Russia's commitment to cutting-edge military technology. This air-launched ballistic missile, capable of reaching speeds up to Mach 10, is a formidable weapon designed to overcome sophisticated air defense systems. Its ability to maneuver at hypersonic speeds makes it extremely difficult to intercept, posing a significant challenge to adversary defenses. The Kinzhal missile system is designed to be launched from a modified MiG-31K Foxhound interceptor aircraft. This combination of a high-speed aircraft and a hypersonic missile provides Russia with a significant strategic advantage. The MiG-31K, with its exceptional speed and operational range, acts as a potent delivery platform for the Kinzhal, extending its reach and enhancing its operational flexibility. This air-launched capability allows for rapid deployment and attack, providing a tactical edge in dynamic combat scenarios. The defining characteristics of the Kinzhal hypersonic missile lie in its exceptional speed and precision. Traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, the Kinzhal can cover vast distances in a matter of minutes, compressing response times for adversaries and limiting their ability to react effectively. Its high speed also contributes to its penetrating power, making it extremely difficult to intercept using conventional air defense systems. The combination of speed and maneuverability provides the Kinzhal with a tactical advantage, enabling it to evade defenses and strike targets with precision. The Kinzhal's precision strike capabilities stem from its advanced guidance system, which allows for accurate targeting and course correction during flight. This ensures that the missile can effectively engage moving targets or stationary targets with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing collateral damage and maximizing operational effectiveness. The integration of sophisticated guidance mechanisms enhances the Kinzhal's tactical flexibility, enabling it to operate in various combat scenarios and adapt to changing battlefield conditions. Section 4. Strategic Impact, a game-changer in modern warfare. The emergence of hypersonic missiles like the Kinzhal signifies a paradigm shift in modern warfare. Their ability to bypass existing air defense systems poses a significant threat to military installations, aircraft carriers, and other high-value targets. This capability challenges traditional military doctrines, which relied on layered air defenses to protect critical assets. The Kinzhal's speed and maneuverability make it difficult to intercept, requiring the development of new defensive strategies and technologies to counter its threat. The Kinzhal's deployment has significant implications for regional security and global power dynamics. Its presence in Russia's arsenal enhances its ability to project power and deter potential adversaries. The Kinzhal's ability to target critical infrastructure and military assets adds a new dimension to Russia's deterrence capabilities, potentially influencing the outcome of regional conflicts. The deployment of hypersonic weapons like the Kinzhal underscores the evolving nature of modern warfare, requiring countries to adapt their defense postures and invest in counter-hypersonic technologies to maintain a credible deterrent. Section 5. Global Implications, the Hypersonic Arms Race. The development of hypersonic missiles has ignited a global arms race, with major powers vying to acquire this game-changing capability. The United States, China, and other nations are investing heavily in hypersonic research and development, recognizing the strategic significance of these weapons in modern warfare. This competition has led to rapid advancements in hypersonic technology, pushing the boundaries of aerospace engineering and materials science. The pursuit of hypersonic dominance has become a focal point for military strategists and defense planners worldwide, shaping global security dynamics and influencing strategic alliances. The proliferation of hypersonic technology raises concerns about the potential for miscalculation and escalation, particularly in regions with existing tensions or ongoing conflicts. The speed and precision of hypersonic weapons reduce response times for adversaries, increasing the risk of unintended consequences or rapid escalation. The lack of established norms and agreements governing the use of hypersonic weapons further complicates the situation, creating uncertainty and potential for misinterpretation. International cooperation and dialogue are crucial to mitigating the risks associated with the hypersonic arms race and ensuring responsible development and deployment of these technologies. Section 6. Conclusion: the future of warfare in a hypersonic age. The advent of hypersonic missiles marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of warfare, ushering in an era characterized by unprecedented speed and precision. The Kinzhal hypersonic missile, a testament to Russia's commitment to cutting-edge military technology, exemplifies the transformative potential of these weapons. Its ability to overcome existing air defense systems challenges traditional military doctrines and necessitates the development of new defensive strategies and technologies. The emergence of hypersonic weapons like the Kinzhal underscores the need for international cooperation, arms control agreements, and responsible innovation to mitigate the risks associated with this transformative technology. The hypersonic age presents both opportunities and challenges for the future of warfare. The development of these advanced weapons has the potential to enhance deterrence, deter aggression, and revolutionize military operations. However, the proliferation of hypersonic technology also raises concerns about the potential for miscalculation, escalation, and destabilization of regional security. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach that includes international dialogue, arms control agreements, and the development of counter-hypersonic technologies to maintain a stable and secure international environment. The future of warfare in a hypersonic age will be shaped by the responsible development and deployment of these transformative technologies. International cooperation and dialogue are essential to establish norms and agreements governing the use of hypersonic weapons, mitigating the risks of miscalculation and escalation. The development of counter-hypersonic technologies is crucial to maintain a credible deterrent and ensure the effectiveness of existing defense systems. The hypersonic age demands a proactive and adaptable approach to defense planning, prioritizing innovation and collaboration to navigate the evolving security landscape. As hypersonic technology continues to advance, the global security environment will undergo significant transformations. The pursuit of hypersonic dominance will continue to drive military innovation, shaping strategic alliances and influencing global power dynamics. The hypersonic age presents both opportunities and challenges, requiring a responsible and collaborative approach to harness the potential of these technologies while mitigating their associated risks. The future of warfare hinges on our ability to navigate this new era with wisdom, foresight, and a commitment to international cooperation and stability.